Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1968 Chevy Nova. Now this is easily one of the nicest Novas in the country, and we're excited to bring it to you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it. Then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that this bumper and all the chrome and stainless appears to have been replaced and is in excellent condition. You can see the Chevy 2 callouts along with the SS emblem. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you see these 427 badges timed beautifully to a car that's absolutely laser straight. Now as you come on around the driver's side, you'll notice that this Grotto Blue is accented by the white vinyl top, and that all of your trim around the windshield along with your side glass is beautiful. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's done in the dark blue with the bucket seats and the console. You'll notice it's got the deluxe steering wheel, and as you look at the dash, you can see it's got the tack in the dash along with the gauges that are in the console, and all of those are working. Now as you come across the dash, you can see the dash pad is in phenomenal condition. It'll also give you the opportunity to take a look at the door panels, which all appear to have been replaced, along with the carpet, headliner, and all the seat covers. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now as you make your way across the back, you can see that the rear bumper has been replaced. You'll also notice that all of your emblems along with your lenses are in excellent condition. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side so you can take one more close look at how straight this body is, but also how excellent all these panel fits are. Now as you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how stunning this car is. It all starts and finishes with the stance on this Nova, as it's set off by a custom set of 18-inch and 20-inch wheels that show off the 6-piston and 4-piston Corvette brakes. Now you can see the body on this car has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's slick as a ribbon. Come on up and we'll take a look under the hood of this Chevrolet. As you can see, the heartbeat of this Nova features a 427 engine that's got aluminum heads. Now this car is going to be the envy of anybody that walks by. It's set up with a winner's intake along with a Holley carb, and you've got a custom set of valve covers and air cleaner. Now this car, along with having power steering, also has been upgraded with vintage AC, and you can see that everything has a gorgeous detail under the hood and is show ready. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Nova, I'll get it put up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Nova up in the air, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Now that we have this Nova up on a lift, we can get a better appreciation for just how amazing it is. As you can see, it's got a stunning detail, and that new leaf spring bushings were installed out back. The rear frame rails all appear rock solid, along with all of the pans. Now under the front, the subframe was taken out for the restoration and new body bushings were installed. It also has had new bushings and ball joints installed in the front end, and as you can see, this 68 has been upgraded with custom 4-wheel disc brake package that includes Corvette 6-piston and 4-piston calipers. The fresh built big block runs through the Muncie 4-speed trans that goes out back to the 12-bolt posi rear end with around a 355 gear. Now out back, you'll notice that it's had a new gas tank installed along with new fuel lines and brake lines to feed the 4-wheel disc brakes. For exhaust, it has headers with 2.5-inch pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. Now before we get this Chevy down on the highway, let's take one more close look at how solid all the floors, frame, and the rockers are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.